Guys, welcome to the home edition of the Wall Street Bull. I've got my morning coffee here. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Anthony here. I've got my coffee and this is my kitchen. So I'm doing it from home because yes, I'm on holidays. I hope you're all doing well, and just been keeping an eye on the news there on CNN and Fox News. It's been pretty crazy at the moment over there in the US. So guys, I hope you're staying safe. And anyway, back to the portfolio. So yeah, guys, I haven't done a video for quite some time. It's been one of those crazy times, obviously the year with New Year's and Christmas and stuff, just spending time with family. But I really wanted to do an update because I have continued to invest throughout this entire period. Literally, I haven't stopped since last year in January, probably if not before that, when I started investing in stake in September. But as today, which is the 7th of January 2021, guys, my portfolio is sitting at $16,141.49, which is amazing. I've got photos of when I started investing. It was about 300 US dollars in there. So I started with virtually nothing. So I've built up to 16,000, which is roughly just over $20,500 Australian, which is incredible. On the day, I'm up 1%, $159.96. And in total, I'm up $3,298.84 USD. That is incredible, guys. In actual fact, I haven't done this yet, but let's look on my currency converter today because I'm curious to see how much I've actually gained. So let me get this amount here. Just give me 1 second. 3,284, because I need to do the currency conversion, guys. Let's have a look. Okay, so I'm up $4,230 in my portfolio. That's because I continued to buy throughout this entire situation last year with Rona, and I didn't stop. And a lot of people were selling stocks because they were predicting this huge market crash and it was going to be the end of the world, but it never ended up happening. So I continued to purchase into these companies that I believe in, and I just want to build these dividend stocks. So I've had some good returns this year, which is fantastic, guys. Really happy about it. So $3,298 in total returns. Obviously, I had to sell one of my dividend paying stocks because of a US, I'm not sure what it's called, a notice or something like that, that Mr. Donald Trump, President Trump, put out that he was banning all Chinese telecommunication companies, believe it or not. So I owned a share in China Mobile Limited, which was ticker symbol CHL. It was quite annoying, but I got an email a couple of days ago. I was actually out at a brunch the other day, and got an email from Stake saying that, hey, these companies are going to be delisted off the New York Stock Exchange, which was one of my companies, ticker symbol CHL, China Mobile Limited or something, which was a dividend paying stock that I was looking to obviously buy more stocks in, but that never happened, which is annoying. But anyway, I had to sell that company to quickly get out of that company because it was going to be delisted off the New York Stock Exchange, which means I would have had all kinds of dramas getting my money out of that company. So I managed to sell it. It has been delisted off the New York Stock Exchange. Well, they're not selling it on Stake either. And so I managed to sell it, get my money, and I put the funds from that sale into AGNC, which was ticker symbol T. Anyway, it's an executive order, sorry, by Mr. Donald Trump, so it is what it is. Nevertheless, I've basically lost $3 a year off my annual dividends, and I've put it back, obviously just a slightly increase of putting that $3 back into my portfolio by investing into AT&T, which is ticker symbol T. Right. So a couple of the companies that I have been investing in these dividend stocks, guys, whilst over the holiday period, is ticker symbol EPD. Now, this is Enterprise Products Partners. These guys are an energy-based company. About 25% of the company is actually from oil, and the rest of it is actually from gas and other energy services as well. So these guys are paying an 8.91% dividend yield, which is very high. They are predicting that it is a strong buy of the price is going to go up on this stock. But it's an interesting company because they are an energy company, but they're predominantly in gas and that oil section there, which obviously renewables are a big thing these days, but I still invest in oil stocks just because there's strong dividend yields, which allows me to reinvest that money. But EPD mainly gets the business from gas lines and gas resources. So, which is good, I guess. So it is an energy sector. EPD is one of my dividend paying stocks. Let's move on to a couple of my other purchases, which is AT&T, ticker symbol T. Guys, these are obviously, everyone knows who AT&T is. They're a telecommunications company. They've got a lot going on with 5G at the moment, and obviously with this new technology coming out with Apple, and everyone's got 5G coming up, guys. Telecommunications is going to be a huge industry that I think is going to change the world, really, when you think about it. It's advanced so much, and obviously AT&T are obviously going to be at the forefront of that. And also, guys, they pay a really good dividend. I'm just trying to find that dividend now because I'd love to show you that with you guys, but I can't find my portfolio. Where is it? Let's scroll up, guys. AT&T, here you go. All right, let's find out what the dividend yield is, guys. It's paying 7.11% dividend yield, which is great. Give me 1 second. That's all right. All good. Sorry, my dog's barking. So yeah, 7.11%, guys, which is incredible. I purchased shares into this now. I'm sitting at 13.81 shares of AT&T, guys, which is incredible. And I'll put up my dividend screening app at the end of this video, so stick around for that. Actually, by the way, I forgot to mention that my position in EPD is sitting at 3.1 shares, and the price is $20.98. And AT&T, ticker symbol T, is sitting at $29.83 as well. So I've got now 13 shares of AT&T. A couple of other purchases, guys. XOM Mobil, that was just before Christmas as well. And I am currently sitting on, let's have a look at how many shares I'm sitting on XOM Mobil at the moment, guys. This is a great dividend payer. Yes, it is a risky stock because of these energy sectors that have been taking quite a big hit during this crazy time that we've all been going through. XOM Mobil, here we go, 45 shares of XOM Mobil with a dividend yield of 8%. Now, obviously at the beginning of 2020, or just around that March period, the dividend yield was quite high. It was almost at 10%, but it now has dropped to about 8%. So I think it has gone and recovered since last year in March, when it dropped dramatically to very low levels because there's no need for oil. But now I think the world's coming in with this vaccine, and industries are opening up. There's going to be a lot of people that are wanting oil as well, and a lot of industries that are going to be requiring oil. So those oil stocks have come up, which is good, and sitting on 8% dividend yield and 45 shares. And I'll put up how much is bringing me in every single year in dividends, guys. So mainly they are the main dividend stocks. I've got XOM Mobil, I've got AT&T, and I've got ticker symbol EPD. They're the three companies that I've been buying over this Christmas break. And my main goal, guys, is really to hit, I'd like to set the goal huge this year and have a dividend yield of at least, $3,000 a year coming in every single year, and with that growing. So I'm going to set a goal for myself to have $3,000 AUD, actually, I should say. It would be great to have USD, but Australian dollars, $3,000 AUD every single year coming in dividends. So I'll set myself a goal by the end of this year, and let's see how I go with that. So I hope you guys stick around for that one as well. All right, I'll put up my dividend screener, guys, dividend app, so you guys can check that, and I'll keep you guys updated with any purchases coming up in the next couple of weeks. All right, I hope you are well and stay safe. If you're not a subscriber to this channel, subscribe, and let me know what your favorite dividend stocks are below in the comments. All right, cheers, peace, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my dividend tracker app. This is an incredible app, guys, so check it out on the App Store if you're on iOS. You can see my dividends are sitting at $753.16, which is awesome, guys. I'm due to receive a dividend of 80 cents from Pepsi, ticker symbol PEP. That's pretty cool, guys. And 1 day left on EMN, that's Eastman Chemical Company, and Altria Group, ticker symbol MO, in 4 days, at $1.70. Philip Morris in 4 days at $4.58. That's a pretty decent dividend. And AGNC at $1.99 in 5 days. That's pretty cool, guys. So top three payers are XOM Mobil, SPHD, and PSEC. XOM Mobil's paying me $206.05 a year. SPHD is $113.30, and Prospect Capital is $97.04. I've achieved 75% of my goal of $1,000 a year, and I should change this, guys, and I will change this. Let's edit this. Enter a goal. Let's enter a goal of $3,000. Save annual goal. So now that's my new goal. 25% of that has been reached. That is awesome. So I'm definitely aiming high with this one. Dividend yield income is from energy materials companies. That's 28%. Dividends receivable is $28.35 this month. My portfolio here is sitting at $20,768.51. Now I had to make that adjustment there, taking our CHL and putting it back into AT&T. That's a pretty good return, guys. This is saying I've had $4,206 return, which is great. Let me just double check that with my currency converter. Yeah, it's about right. That's about right. That's pretty much on point there, guys. So that's pretty cool. My breakup there, composition there, TSLA is Tesla, XOM Mobil, 13.5, SPHD. These are the breakup of the companies. That's cool. My monthly income on average is $60, which is amazing. That is passive, completely passive, and you can't really beat that. And you can see your dividend paying months here and what's actually coming in. So I do have some low months, which I'm wanting to build up, like February, March, April, May. So hang on, let me just check that. Sorry, March is a good one. Sorry about that. April, May are my low months, July, August. So I've really got to top these months up and get to where that December is to like $100 a month. That's awesome. That'd be really good to get over $300 or $400 a month in dividends coming in every single year. But anyway, guys, so that's where my dividends are at the moment, and I thought I'd give an update on my portfolio, guys. So stay safe, make sure you like the channel, and let me know in the comments below what your favorite dividend stocks are. All right, stay safe. Cheers. Bye.